All right, before I go on, let me first say this is not the original Razer Phone 2 that I brought in a couple weeks ago. About a week later, the bottom firing speaker on the first Razer Phone 2 that I brought in, here's the bottom firing speaker from left to right, right to left, all the way across that bottom, just crackling. Out of nowhere, it just started crackling. Watching and listening to random YouTube videos, watching and listening to movies that I have on my Razer Phone 2, my own personal movies that I store on my SD card. That crackling was just, man, it was just terrible. Called Amazon, did some troubleshooting, and it was decided that it was best to send back the original Razer Phone 2 and get another one sent out to me. Huge shout out to Amazon for getting the second one out to me overnight. Now, it's been about a week with this one, and out of nowhere, the top speaker started crackling and just a little bit out of the bottom firing speaker. I'm really battling sending it back and not getting a third one, because everything you get from this smartphone, when the speakers are working correctly, when I am listening to music, watching videos or movies, and I'm not getting that crackling sound that you're hearing from the speakers, these are amazing. The surround sound that you get, that Dolby Atmos is delivering, is phenomenal. What we're going to do is play a sample. We're going to go into the demo, and I want you to listen, because right now the volume is turned all the way up. Now, even though this is a big negative, the rest of this device, this smartphone, is a powerhouse device. Silky smooth performance. But this area, when watching certain movies, certain videos, listening to certain songs, again, it's just a random thing, and that crackling, man. But listen, if you turn the volume down a little bit, well, you won't hear the crackling, but I should be able to turn the volume all the way up and enjoy everything these speakers want to give me, that want to put into my ears to listen to enjoy my media. Okay, I shouldn't have to limit that. Okay, so here we go.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio.
And then it goes away.
Powerful moving audio that transcends from channels.
At the beginning.
To moving around.
Okay, so let's do this again. We're going to turn it down just a little bit. All right, here we go again. Well, no, it's still crackling.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels.
Yeah, wow, okay.
To moving around.
So we obviously have an issue. I'm going to call Amazon. They're going to suggest a third one, because the last time I talked to the Amazon rep, he said if it happened on this one, they were willing to send a third one out. I may just do that. So sure, they're going to want me to factory reset and do it all over again, but I did that with the first one. So I don't know. Anyway, Razer Phone 2, 350 smacks over at Amazon is one of the best deals out there right now for a powerhouse device like the Razer Phone 2. But with this issue, it takes away from everything that we would want out of a phone like this. It's a gaming phone, but it is more than that. I mean, if you're in the media, you're going to get all the media. And because the cameras are great, in my opinion, we got better here, man. The experience is so much better. So if I don't have that crackling going on, functionality, performance, battery life, I'm averaging between 4 and 5 hours. You can plug it in, fast charging, in my car on my way home from work, 20-25 minutes, I get another 40%, finish out my day easily. So 4 to 5 hours is not bad at all. Could it be better? Sure. But I'm fine with that for what I do. For what I do on any of my smartphones, that's fine. So performance, functionality, battery life, media, being able to adopt an SD card into the internal storage, very solid device. For those of you that love that chromo RGB lighting on the back to add to your experience, 120 hertz refresh rate, man, just makes me upset, man. Just makes me upset. And that's all I want to talk about. Let me know down below your thoughts. I'll figure out what I'm going to do, man. I'm just really kind of bummed out right now. I don't want to give up on this phone.
You once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. Yes, you once,